Hello people, my name is Galaxy. Welcome to this channel. Welcome to this another episode. And today I'm gonna talk about the transform particularly in Kdenlive. Let's get started. Let's open Kdenlive. And as usual, import some tracks. Right, then I'm gonna drop it on the tracks, and I'm gonna put another track. And bring it over here. Okay, and I'm gonna delete the audio for now. Oops, I need to first ungroup the clip, and I'm gonna delete the selected item. Now I'm just gonna ungroup this as well and delete this. Okay, I'm gonna put this one here and put this one over here. As you can see, the top video overlaps the lower. In Kdenlive, the video on the top will always get priority rise. And now let's transform. Transform has many contexts to use. So one of the contexts might be you want to show your video on the top of it, maybe like this. You want to show, like, you just right click and you need to insert an effect, transform. Then you can scale your video just like this. Alright, and sometimes you might want to put your video in the middle, left, right, or something like that. You want to have some kind of thumbnails, want to put 3 or 4 videos on the top of some big banner like this. You can do so you can transform, you can scale it out, you can position it wherever you like. And sometimes you might have a logo, you can use it as well. So that's it. That's the basic I want to give you today. And if you like this video, if you find this video useful, please don't forget to subscribe, because I want to grow my channel as well. Thank you. See you on the next video. Bye bye.